find the shortest distance between the planes. Equation of the two planes are given to us. Now, let x1, y1, z1 be any point on the plane 2x minus y plus 3z minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write it 2x1 minus y1 plus 3z1 is equal to 4. Equation 1. Now, and equation 2 of plane is 6x1 minus 3y1 plus 9z1 plus 13 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now, required shortest distance is equal to 6x1 minus 3y1 plus 9z1 plus 13 upon square root of 6 square plus negative of 3 square plus 9 square. Now, this can be written as, if we are taking 3 common, 2x1 minus y1 plus 3z1 plus 13 upon 36 plus 9 plus 81. Now, this becomes 3 times 4 plus 13 upon square root of 126 from equation 1. Now, 2x minus y1 plus 3z1, it is 2x1 minus y1 plus 3z1 is equal to 4. So, in place of this we have taken 4. Now, this becomes 25 upon 3 square root of 14 units. So, this is the answer.